Now, one of the biggest sensations has to be the 20-year-old YouTube influencer IShowSpeed.
But you get it. It's pain, but it's life. It's pain, but it's Shaolin. It's pain, but it's Kung Fu. It's pain, it's you. You understand?
Yes.
His live streams across different cities in China are breaking the internet. As a food vlogger, I'm interested in what is tried in China so far. So let's take a look. First up, Shanghai. Speed tried Xiaolong Bao.
One dumpling.
Great choice.
We're about to try our first dumpling.
好吃，他说很好吃。
新鲜。
These soup dumplings have a thin, delicate skin and are bursting with rich, juicy flavor in every bite. Definitely one of Shanghai's most iconic street food.
This is good.
Second stop, Beijing. In Beijing, someone handed him douzhe, a fermented mung bean soup that many people just can't handle. But personally, I actually really like it. He also accidentally tried baodu,
Let's try it, Top.
quickly boiled beef or lamb tripes served with rich sesame sauce and seasoning.
Come on, baby. You ready? It's actually good.
And another young man handed him a tanghulu, a classic Beijing street snack made of hawthorn or other fruits coated in a crispy sugar shell. But it seems too sweet for him.
It's sweet as hell.
The third stop of Speed in China was Henan Shaolin.
The what? Whoa, the worm? Oh shit, you alright? Oh, hey, whoa, stop!
In Henan, we saw Speed learning some Kung Fu on the live stream.
But you get it. Friend is not money. Friend is your country, my country, whole world. We are friends. Because Kung Fu.
But he didn't seem to try much food. So I wonder if he had time to try Hu La Tang. It's a rich, spicy soup made with beef, pepper, gluten, and other flavorful ingredients. Pair it with fried buns, beef pies, or youtiao. Trust me, it's 绝了, it's 绝了. The fourth stop, Chengdu. This one was full of surprises. You know, someone handed him a long string of sausage, then a roast chicken, and even a green pepper. Why the green pepper? I don't know, pretty funny. But of course, the real highlight was Sichuan hot pot. Speed clearly struggled with the spice, but his bodyguards, they were all in. Speaking of his bodyguards, they became unexpected stars of the live stream too, thanks to some iconic moments like that viral Great Wall filter. When Speed went to acupuncture at a traditional Chinese medicine clinic in Chengdu, his bodyguards were casually trying Chinese herbal milk tea. I really want to know what kind did they get. Speed is still on the road with more cities to explore in China.
This is China. Zoom out and show the whole city. Yo, my God. Crazy. Happy birthday to Ling Qin. Happy birthday to you.
Stay tuned for more highlights from his China travel, especially the foods he discovered.
I got my food. I got my KFC in the drone. I got my KFC.
Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Shanny from China.